How to disable automatic Windows update. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you guys how you can easily disable automatic Windows update. The very first thing you want to do is open up your settings, right click on the start menu and open settings. Then find Windows Update on the left hand side of your screen. Click on it. Once you get to Windows Update, find Advanced Options. Now, if you have this turned on that says get the latest updates as soon as they're available, make sure you turn this one off and then go to advanced option. Then from here, you can turn off all of these toggles. The first one is receive updates from other Microsoft products. Get me up to date. Make sure these are disabled. Once that is done, you could just go ahead and close it out and then go to the search bar. Simply search for services, hit enter. And then go to Windows Update. Type in W, and once you are here, scroll down a bit. Here you just have to find Windows Update. If you don't see it, you could just search for Windows Update here. As you can see here, I have Windows Update. I can just right click on it, go to Properties, and then currently the startup type is automatic. You basically want to disable this, tap on Apply, and then OK. Now, after doing so, you want to go ahead and change it on your registry editor. Go ahead and search for registry editor on your search bar. Tap on yes and open it up. Once you have your registry editor open, you want to go to HKey local machine. Then you want to go to software. Scroll down until you find policies. Click on it, go to Microsoft, and then find Windows here. Now on this, you're going to have to create a new key value. Just go ahead and right click and then click on new key. Now you're going to name this new key Windows Update. Make sure there is no space between Windows Update. Make sure you type it just as it is. Now once you have created this, you want to double click on it and then right click again, create a new key once again. Now you're going to name this AU, that means auto update. Now just hit enter, make sure that both of them are uppercase. Now once you are here, go to the right side of your screen, right click, click on new. Now you're going to create a new dword 32-bit value. And you are going to have to name this. Go ahead and right click on it and then rename. And you're going to name this null auto update. Make sure that you write uppercase between all of these start of the letters, and there is no space in between. Now double click on this, and then you're going to set the value to 1 to disable auto update. Tap on OK. Now after this, close it out and restart your PC once, and your auto updates should be disabled. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, like the video and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.